If you want to learn today about GitHub Copilot X, how to use it, how to install, and what you need to do in order to make it work, you are in the right place. Today I'm going to show you step by step the most amazing tool that ever been developed and released this year, GitHub Copilot X, combination of ChatGPT 4 and GitHub Copilot, Microsoft and OpenAI having, you know. So stay tuned, we're about to start and feel free to follow for more amazing tutorials. Welcome back guys, and thank you for keep following and watching. So today I'm going to show you and will describe you about GitHub Copilot X. As you don't know, Microsoft love all the technology OpenAI have developed, especially ChatGPT. They are embedded it on all of their features, and one of them is GitHub Copilot. So in the past, in order to use ChatGPT, we should have go and use the chat in their website, but now you can use ChatGPT 4 inside your Visual Studio. And in order to do that, at the moment it's not still released to everybody, so you need to join the waitlist. This is what I did, and after few weeks they send me an email, and this is exactly the email that I got. You are now in GitHub Copilot Chat Private Beta, and I'm gonna show you step by step what you need to do in order to install it and how to make it work. So the first thing you wanna do, you wanna download and install Visual Studio Code Insider. Yeah, I know it's very confusing because we already have Visual Studio, but it seems like Microsoft have Insider version, that this is where they release all of their private beta. So just follow the email, download the Visual Studio Code Insider. You can download for your Mac or for your Windows, depend which OS system you're working with. So I already download the Visual Studio Code Insider, but all you need to do, you just need to click and we'll download it to a computer. It's very easy and it's very similar to the regular Visual Studio. So as you can see right now, I have two of them. One is private beta and another one is what everybody is using. So once you open the Visual Studio or Code Insider, again is exactly the same. What you want to do, let's go to the mail, and basically what we want to do next, we need to install the GitHub Copilot 90 extension. Okay, so let's search for it, GitHub Copilot and nightly extension. So you wanna install that in order to make it work and activate the ChatGPT inside your Visual Studio. If you have other GitHub Copilot, remove it. And while it's installing, let me see what else we need to do. So it's saying that after we installing, basically chat icon will appear on the left side of the activity panel. And basically that is it. So let's check it out. So once you install it, you need to allow GitHub Copilot basically the permission to access your Visual Studio Code Insider. And once you're done, as you can see, we have the chat icon on the left side. And I'm gonna click it, and this is basically your ChatGPT 4, not 3, not 3.5, but ChatGPT 4 in your Visual Studio. I know it's crazy, but this is how it is. And now I'm gonna show you how to use it. It's basically as you already know and use ChatGPT, but this time it's on your Visual Studio, so you don't need to go to your browser. You don't need to switch dashboard, everything in one place. So I asked ChatGPT to write me HubSpot API call to create a company on Laravel. And while it's thinking and creating this code, I want to show you what I used to do with the GitHub Copilot in the past. Okay, I used to this is how it works. You give the description in comments of what is the code that you want to create to GitHub Copilot. He will autocomplete you and will generate the information you need. And in one point after you stop writing, it will generate the code that you need. So let's wait a few more seconds. So as you can see, it's autocomplete me, but you can't compare it to the new version of Git Copilot X, that everything is in one place. The code is already written for you, and you just need to insert it to your new file or to the code it's already working on. So you can do simultaneously two things at the same time, and this thing basically expedite your developer skill. You become much faster. You're not coding 50% faster, like you're coding 99% faster. And there is other option that you can use ChatGPT the chat that you have right here. You can try to write a test for your code. This version, it's not like supported yet, but you can do also other stuff. You can interact with it. You can ask any other question. It's like ChatGPT, but on your Visual Studio, the Insider version. So now I'm gonna ask him to write me something else. So as you can see on the screen, I'm asking him to write me a unit test for the code. That this is exactly what he's doing. And think about it. Instead of you typing everything, checking on Google, checking on ChatGPT, different browser, we GitHub Copilot X, everything is one place, everything is in the same location in your coding environment, in your coding IDE, and this guys is priceless. There is no price to this. Like the power it will give you and the improvement and the efficient, I don't think there is price to that. And also you can ask him to write like the same code in different language, like Node.js, Python, whatever. I hope you guys like the video. I hope it helped you a lot with making the decision of the AI tool you want you to be the best developer ever. That's it guys, thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe and leave comment below. Ask me anything you want, ask me what kind of video you want me to make and I will do it. So have a nice day. Peace.